Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be working up with the plugins. Okay, so what are the plugins and why are they so useful with the WordPress? Let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the dashboard, and then you can see that we have another tab that is called the plugins. So before going into the plugins, I want you to know that what are the plugins and how did they use for, and just like why do we need it. Okay, so you must not be seeing any of the plugin. It is defaultly installed by WordPress. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna delete all of the plugins so that we can just start from right now. Okay, so now I want to show you I want to tell you a great example of the plugin. So plugins can be like called as the apps. Okay, like they enhance your website, like they are the add-ons to your website or the extra things that can be added to your website. So you can see that we have designed just a simple basic website. That's all. Okay, we have designed this website. We have all the necessary pages. Okay, we have our blog, we have our contact us and everything. Okay, and now I want to tell you, like, let's suppose that I want to add something more into my website. Like we saw a slideshow in our website, in different websites like Apple websites. Okay, so let's suppose that I want to add that. How will I add that? This is the most important thing, and the plugins are the one that do this job. So there are so many plugins that you can find on the WordPress directory, and there are also some other plugins that are not there. So if I just go ahead and click add new, then you can see that these are the plugins. Like we have this Jetpack, we have this WP Super Cache. It enhances the speed of your website. Like your website is loading slow. If you install it, your website will go like amazing, and it will load very much faster. I'm not telling you to install it right now. Do not install it, guys. Okay, so if we go to the popular tab, then we have so many popular plugins. Like we can add the contact form to our this website. Like here will be a contact form in the contact page, and any of the user can just go ahead and he can enter his details, and it will send me an email. Okay, same like this, we have our SEO pack that will help us to just enhance the SEO. We go down and we have the security that will help us to like work with our security, and there are so many plugins that we have here. Okay, so let me give you an example right now. Let's just go ahead and go with the top plugin that is the most popular plugin, and this is coming on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit install now, and let's just hit install, and let's install this and let's work with it. Let's see how does it work, how does this plugin work, and how can we just add a contact form to our website. So this plugin is here. This blue line indicates that this plugin is activated. Okay, and we have this, it says contact form 7. Okay, let's just go ahead and let's just go to the settings here, and let's see what is here. Okay, you can see this is a new tab that has been created because of this plugin, and here we can manage all the settings here. So here it says contact form 1 that has already been created, and it was created 1 minute ago. That means that when we install this plugin, this contact form was created. Let's just go ahead and let's hit edit. Okay, and on just hitting edit, you can see it says copy this short code and paste it into your post or text widget content. Okay, so this is a form that is already created. Okay, and if we just go to the mail settings, you can see that if someone enters the form credentials is going to be sent to this email address. Okay, so it just indicates that. Let's just go ahead. I'm not telling you about this form right now. I'm just telling you about the plugins, that how the plugins work. So do not get yourself confused with this, because I'm not telling you anything about it. I'll tell you later on when we will move forward with this course. Okay, let's just quickly go ahead and let's copy this, and let's go to our contact us page, and let's just hit edit page, and let's add the form here. So I'm gonna add the form here. Let's just press this and let's paste this code. Okay, and I'm just hitting update. Okay, and now let's just go ahead and let's view this page. So how does it look? Okay, this is working, guys. You can see it says your name, your email, your subject, and your message. Let's see if this form works or not. So I'm going to be entering my name here. So let's suppose that my name is this, my email is this. So I'm going to be entering a different email because the admin email is this. So let's just add a different email. Okay, the subject is hello, Tanzil, and the message is going to be, hey Tanzil, I need a help with my website. Okay, that's all. And now I have to go ahead and I have to hit send. So I'm just clicking send. It says thank you for your message. It has been sent. Okay, so we have to see if our message has been received or not. So I have to open up my Gmail account. That was the account, and let's see if that works or not. So here we haven't received any email yet. Let's just go ahead and let's open up the spam to see if we have received it. Okay, yes, this is received. You can see it says hello Tanzil, and we have this received. This is received by them, and let's just go ahead and let's open this up. So I'm gonna open this up, and here it says from Tanzil, hello Tanzil, and message body, and here it says hello hey Tanzil, I need help with my website. And this is the message that is being sent. So this is how the contact form works, guys. You can see, the plugins works. You can see that we just installed an app into our just website, and it does the job. Okay, we don't have to do the coding that is behind this, like PHP coding to send the email and this and this and that. And we just installed the plugin. We just add that short code, and that's all we're done. Okay, so I'm not telling you about this plugin, that how this works. I'm just telling you that how plugin works, not this plugin works. Okay, so now we're totally done with the plugin, and now we know how everything works. We know about the dashboard. So dashboard is like a home. It's gonna tell you the latest things that are going on, the activity and news and events and everything. Okay, and then we have the updates. So it's gonna tell you the update. Okay, like what are the updates that are coming, like if you go into the App Store, okay, in your iOS device, then in the updates you see that when a new application is available, you can update that. Same like this is exactly same. I don't have to explain anything else with this. Okay, then in the post, you guys already know. In the media, you guys already know. In the pages, in the comments, and this is the contact that is created by that plugin that we install. You guys now know appearance, plugins, and the users is left. So I'm going to be explaining you this in the next video, and then we're going to be moving on with our project. So because I think why not just explain this right. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video we'll be working up with the users. Goodbye.